So obviously I just woke up. It's around 8:30 in the morning. Basically what I'm trying to do in the morning now is I try to start my day off with something I enjoy and something that is also like I feel like would be good for my routine. So that's why I've been starting Animal Crossing, and I'm hoping that it's going to work and keep me awake. Probably gonna plan on making some tea afterwards and making a little breakfast, and just start on my day by just cleaning the house a bit. And then I wanted to start applying for jobs. I think that's incredibly important right now, obviously. My hair is so wet. I need to take a shower too, y'all. Woo! You hear that? Anyways, I'm gonna actually do what I said I was gonna do. Yo, I can make the sickest villager noise. Alright, let me do it. Okay, you hear it, right? Okay. Anyways, right now what I want to do is I kind of want to make my town look prettier. Like, honestly, when I started this game, I didn't really have a passion to make it look better. I was just kind of memeing around. I mean, look how my character fucking looks, man. You see this? Oh my god. I obviously didn't really care. But yeah, my goal is to actually try on making my place look better. This is what my place looks right now. It's not that nice, honestly. Yeah, that's basically it. Not that impressive. I have a lot of workout stuff because when I started playing Animal Crossing during the summer, I was really into working out. I'm not really anymore at the moment, but I do plan to start doing it. I think a problem I have with vacuuming, like there is even a problem that you can even have when you vacuum, is I'm so aggressive when I vacuum. I feel like I slam the walls with this bad boy, and I kind of abuse it, but you know, at least I'm vacuuming. That's all I care about. Like, anyways, yeah, I'm gonna clean the shit off the floor that was made by my birds. I usually do this before I take them out for the day. Cause yeah, by the end of the day, they usually shit all over the floors. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Like, they shit all over the floors. I don't know if I want to show you guys in this vlog, cause it's actually kind of gross, but this is the perks, but also the downsides of being a bird owner. or a bird odor of 2 because their poops are small and they don't smell, which is very great, but they shit a lot. They shit at about at least 10 minutes, every 10 minutes. But it's actually not that bad. Like, if you think about it, it's just like, you know, when they shit on your valuables, that's kind of bad. That's why we tend to put our valuables away. The place I like to shit around the most is around my desk, like when I'm sitting, because I'm usually streaming at home. They sit on my legs under the table. That's like where they chill the most, and they just shit all around their legs. See? I use Simple Green. My mom was kind enough to gift me this bottle and relabeled it from Windex to Simple Green. My birds really like to eat it, so that's why I only use it before they get out of their cages in the morning. So, you know, they don't get that toxic poisoning, if you know what I mean. I need to clean his cage. I know he doesn't have enough of the dirt stuff because he flattened it out and I don't think I put enough. But yeah, his cage is kind of dirty. He's eating some leftovers. Very cute, very cute. I'm done. See, it's just fun little braids, I guess. I think they're cute. I think they give like a nice touch to the look you're going for, I guess. So the first thing I do is I roll everything up. I look kind of crazy when I go out with this, but it's for the birds. I don't really care about what other people think, to be honest. Well, I do, but you know, I try not to care because I shouldn't. So this is the backpack that I keep them in when they go out with me. Pardon my messy desk and those dry stains. So they're usually pretty good with coming in. They usually know what this means. They know that it means they're going out, so. Good boy. Come on. What a good boy. Wow. They're so good. So it's basically like this. Honestly, I wish it was in a cuter color. Like, come on, why does it have to be like bright orange like this? I wish they had like, you know, a cute like baby blue color or a pink, but nope, it has to be this. You guys, this gourd that we have kept since Halloween from last year, it's like kind of dead now, obviously, but it's like, look at the shape. It's pretty funny. Okay, so I'm in the car now. My car is pretty messy. I need to clean it up. If you guys see any mess, I'm so sorry. But let me show you guys how I take out my birds. Here's the men of the hour. So I let them out during my car rides. They're usually pretty good about being in the car. Just hop on my shoulder. This dude, I don't know, he likes to kind of just chill in there. See, he doesn't want to come out right now. I don't think he's scared. I think he just likes to chill in very small areas. He's a very territorial bird, so maybe that's why. My dude usually chills on my shoulder or he gets onto the chair. Hi, can I get the basic car wash? YouTubers are getting scared. Get on my shoulder. Honestly though, I was a fucking bird. I get so fucking scared. I think they're like actually vibing with it right now though. Okay. He's like curious. He's like, what's going on? All done. But yeah, that was about it. I'm gonna go to Starbucks now. No, dude, don't go over there. Come on, no. So I always get a chai tea latte. I know it doesn't really ever change, so I got a chai tea, as I said, as per usual. Obviously my bird wants some. This one, I don't know, he always seems so dazzled when he goes out. I think he's just very curious about everything. He doesn't really care about food as much as Trello, but now he cares. Here. I'm so happy these lids are bird-proof. Let's see how they react. Maybe they'll be good this time? Who knows? Oh, this dude's like, I'm ready to go in. Oh my god. Okay, come on. I might have to grab you. I might have to grab you. Also, here's what I did for the cover. I thought it was cute and it was green, so kind of reminded me of money. So, you know, yeah. This has made me realize that I spend a lot. Like, I feel like I don't, but I actually do. Granted, the big payments are more for the house supplies, but literally everything is food. Everything is food and hamster stuff, obviously, but Jesus Christ, I need to chill out on my food, man. Daiso really fucks me up, though. Not gonna lie.
Your duty is not over.
Ain't my time.
Satisfied.
That's like
Spike down, C.
Barrier created.
Smoke's down.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Do we have bomb? Is it in garage?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
I'm
he's
not
gonna
gonna
grab
push it.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
30
You
seconds
got
left.
this. Planning.
Spike planted.
Molly long.
Bobby.
Molly.
Nice. nice. Holy shit.
Oh man.
1 HP. Damn.
Oh my god, my heart.
Say 1 HP in chat. In all chat.
No, that's so toxic. Yeah. I'm really happy today of the outcomes of my games. But yeah, I just finished stream. It's right now 8:11 p.m. 8:11 p.m. I'm probably gonna go cook now. I like putting this in everything. Literally in everything. So I made the ground turkey, and now we're basically going to cut these avocados. I'm basically making kind of like a rice bowl. How do you take this out? Oh no. What did I say? I'm a pro avocado peeler. Yep. So I'm gonna make bowls now. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. We have these Korean bowls that we always use for rice bowl time. So basically what I do is I get a good amount of rice, and then I use sesame oil, and I just drizzle the rice so the rice isn't too dry. Put furikake on. I'm kind of running out. I put protein on one side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and slice this up. I'm gonna put half an avocado, and then plop it in over the avocado to make it a bit salty. Put some over the meat because it's probably bland. You got yourself a yummy, yummy, yummy rice bowl. Indeed, indeed.com. He's falling asleep. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I was tapping his beak, and he just started falling asleep. He's so weird.